Hi guys, so in this video I will show you and explain the flight controller of the Arduino quadcopter I made. The basis of my quadcopter is actually YMFC-AL. It is made by Joe Brooking and he made it open source, so we can use that software with our flight controller. So here I have made the circuit. So basically, as you can see, I have soldered 4 male headers for the 4 servo connections. This is the main flight controller Arduino and this is the receiver Arduino. The difference I made is that I actually included the nRF24 module as the receiver instead of using regular receivers and transmitters available in the market because they were expensive. So for testing purpose I integrated the nRF module with this. I also included the 433Mhz modules for telemetry communication. I am not planning to fly this for a very long range, so 433 Mhz range of these modules is more than enough for me. I also attached a 7.3 mm antenna, 17.3 centimeters, so that I can get a good range with it. Now this is the MPU 6050 and this is the 1N4007 diode, and this is 1 kilo ohm diode resistor, and this is 1.5 kilo ohm resistor. I have made all these connections according to the circuit diagram provided by the YMFC-AL. The only changes I have made is in this part, as you can see. So I also included an Arduino Pro Mini for the telemetry system. The reason is that you cannot include servo, that is you cannot use the servo.h library as well as the virtual wire libraries together. That is why I cannot include the telemetry programming in this Arduino. I needed a separate Arduino for the telemetry system, so I included that as well. I have attached the circuit diagram and I will show it to you now. It is not a precise circuit diagram, so it is a basic connections diagram. You have to make those connections yourself. So this is my flight controller. I simply soldered a wire at the base, as you can see here. I simply soldered a wire and then attached it with the zip ties to the frame so that I can easily remove those wires and flight controller anytime I want to make changes. Did this to all 3 sides. And this wire connects to the battery. So this is my flight controller. You can make your own modifications in it even further. You can add the barometric sensor or even GPS module, but I would suggest you to use the STM32, that is YMFC32, because the STM32 is a 32-bit microprocessor, so it's much better than the Arduinos, but for this project these are more than enough. Thanks for watching.